Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to the Lazy Natural. I know this is something a little bit different. This is the first time I've ever weighed like one a week on this channel. One a week. This is a new protective style. We're trying something different. Curls for days. But anyway, if you haven't seen my wig, what to get affordable wigs in Kenya, make sure you click this card above. I'll explain like where I got this wig for and the price and everything. And if you guys want me to do videos on maintenance and how I normally make sure my wig stays fresh and slayed, make sure you comment down below also. But today I am going to talk about something miraculous that happened before my birthday. I was so happy. I was like, yes, you know that point where you want more products, but you want to try products, but you're like, hey, that price. So luckily what happened is, after my twist out tutorial, if you haven't checked it out, I'll put a photo here and a card here. So my twist out tutorial really went really well, and right now I think the video is actually doing well. Currently it's not really my best, but it's doing well. It's really doing well, and the way that style came out was really beautiful and natural and everything. So I started posting these photos. I started posting photos and how I actually did the my thing without gel, and people were asking me, how did you do it without gel? I was like, I normally just use my color leave-in conditioner. I don't really like gel. Gel is not my thing. I haven't really tried gel, so I wasn't really into it. So I just used my color and some oil and some water, twisted my hair and unraveled it, just like how you guys see how I normally moisturize my hair. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you look this card above. So anyway, I started posting it to this other sites. I posted it at Nature Not, I posted it at Shisha's Natural, and glory to God, somebody commented on the comment section and said, that's really pretty, you should come to Heritage Chronicles so you can give you some free product. And I was happy. There's only one product of All Natural that I've ever tried, the Dark and Lovely line. It's only one product for the natural line. Like, I haven't tried any of the other products. Never have I ever tried any of the other products. And I saw Shilandida was actually really the ambassador, and I was like, oh, that's really nice. Maybe I could like try it out and see whether it's worth it. So they gave it to me in this package here, and these are the products. I think I'll start with the products that I don't actually know. They gave me like two products for the braids line, and both of them have jojoba oil and peppermint oil, and the free braid refreshener. So basically, I bet this one is when you don't wash your braids like every week, and all you have to do is refreshen your braids. I do not know the price of this because I went to Best Lady and I couldn't find this product. I've never seen this product personally. So if you know the price of this product, make sure you comment down below. This is how it actually looks like. I hope my video can see. That's how it actually looks like. It's jojoba oil and peppermint oil. And then the next product that they gave me, that's from the braids line, is actually the anti-age scalp soother. So this is how it actually looks like. So I think this is when you have like an itchy scalp. I haven't really tried this product. If you guys want to see a tutorial on the braid spray on somebody who actually has braids, because I'm not really big on braids, I'll definitely do it for you guys. But I've never really tried these products, but I think peppermint oil and jojoba oil are really good ingredients. So the other products that I actually got, which we are waiting, my wig. I got this moisture replenishing shampoo from Dark and Lovely, from the natural line. As you can see there, there's a natural girl over there. It doesn't have no minerals, no paraben, no nothing, and no petroleum. But the only thing is, if you look at the ingredients, there's water, and then benzene, I don't know how to say that other word, and then sodium lauryl sulfate. So if you're not really into sulfate products and you want to try out this product, it has sulfates. So if you have an issue with like trying products with sulfates, I'll recommend, maybe you can try it out, but if it doesn't work for you, it doesn't work for you. But personally, I do use products with sulfates. That's what I normally use to wash my hair. But what I normally do is after I use like really cleansing shampoo. You know, sulfates are really cleansing. They clean everything. I make sure I moisturize my hair with a deep conditioner, a really good deep conditioner. So there is no week I have stayed with my hair without a deep conditioner. So that's like my whole routine. And then the next product is the 3-in-1 cleansing conditioner, which I've never seen. This is like for all of you coach ladies. If you've ever used this product, make sure you comment down below and let me know how you actually felt about it. I haven't tried any of these products. I want to do a whole wash routine and see how it actually goes, so you guys can also be part of the experience. So this is how it actually looks like, and this is the only product which I have seen that does not have any sulfate. But let me see if it has paraben or mineral oil. No, it doesn't have any paraben or mineral oil. Or maybe I'm just reading my own my own ingredients over here, but like it doesn't have parabens or mineral oil, but it does not have sulfate. So this is how it actually looks like. It's a 3-in-1 cleansing conditioner. It washes, detangles, and treats. I've never used this product before, and I've never actually seen it. I normally just see the not out conditioner, but anyway, if you guys have ever tried this product, let me know, and I can't wait to like try them out and do a whole wash routine for you guys. And the next product is this not out conditioner that I've ever tried. It's a really good product, but it doesn't have any mineral oil, paraben, or petroleum, but something, let me see if it has some sulfates just in case. I can't see any sulfates. I can't actually see any sulfates. And none of these products smell really good. Is this just me, or they smell like mangoes? Like they smell like you've actually, you know how you blend a mango and then that scent that comes out of the blender, like it's so mangoish and fresh and everything. They really smell really good. They really smell really good. But if you have sensitivity when it comes to fragrances, I won't really recommend you to use this. Like buy the whole line, just buy one and maybe try it out, because I also have issues when it comes to buying products. I find them too strong, they smell too strong, whatever, maybe they're fragrance, or maybe they make me feel like I'm not really, you know, like it's too much, like the fragrance is just too much. So if you have those issues, make sure you buy one product, and if you feel like it's okay, maybe you can go and buy another one and buy another one. Just don't buy the whole line and end up you wasting money, and then you find out that you don't like the whole line. And then let's go to the next one, is the All Natural plating pudding. You guys know I've never used a plating pudding. I've never used like a curling cream or anything, or gel. Like I don't really do my twist outs like that, so it will be really interested to see how this will be. So this is the All Natural plating pudding. As you can see here, this is how it actually looks like, and it smells so good and it looks so cute. This one I can tell you the price. This one is actually 850, which is a little bit expensive, since this is all you actually, this is kidogo say I but it smells good. Who knows, maybe I like it, you know, maybe I like it and buy it maybe once in a while. And also this not out conditioner and the shampoo was 450, something between 450 to 480, depending where you normally buy it. I'm taking these prices from Best Lady because this is where I normally saw these prices. But for the braids line, like the All Natural anti-itch scalp soother, I didn't really see the prices, so because I couldn't find the product. But I'll put like a link description of all of the prices of all of these products, just in case you're interested in getting them, on the description box. And then we have we have the All Natural Afro Moisturizing Butter with what? Guarana root. Guarana root. So guarana root and honey, which I'm really excited to use. It smells really good. I've never used a butter that I haven't made by myself, because what I normally do is get like shea butter and make like whipped shea butter, but I've never like really used a butter that I haven't made for myself. So this is how it actually looks like. I'm really excited to use like these butters and these plating creams to just see a difference in my twist out, and like I'll be comparing these products with other like products, affordable products like Mikala or those other products. And the last one is the Moisture Plus Satin Oil with African Shea Butter. This is how it actually looks like. I haven't seen this product also, so I couldn't really say the price. So I think that sums up the video. Bye guys. I think I'll do a whole wash routine with all of these products and be able to give you like my full, like truthful, opinion about it. And I'll also be comparing these products with others, just in case you want to like know whether expensive products or cheap products, which one is actually the best, whether it's either Makala or Nat Dark and Lovely or natural. But anyway, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you stay tuned in every Monday, Tuesday,